Naka.
Kamu ni galong-galong mo turanga.
Nasa walewu.
Kamu na sa kanima tentu.
Wana. Hey, tena. Akadimina kamranga. Engkalobi turanga. Kamranga ni bono biti. Kena tingu turanga. Kamranga ni matan tutul na walewu. Naka na tutali naka.
Matan ay para kamunanga.
Na walewu.
Walay baray takini non rabang mamata.
Naka.
Susu sa tu na mamuni.
Kawain tono na kona mo turanga loma.
Bulavanaka, kia ora tātou, and good evening. Prime Minister, can I take this opportunity to thank you for the warm invitation of inviting me and my delegation, including the Foreign Minister, here to Suva, to Fiji, to have talks about the warmth and depth of our relationship, to celebrate the wonderful things that we each enjoy of each other's, and to have an opportunity to discuss our futures together. It is with great sense of pride that I bring the best wishes of the people of New Zealand, and I wish to take just this moment, if I can, to pass our condolences and to mourn the loss of the 44 Fijians that lost their life as a result of Cyclone Winston. We thank you and your government for the leadership you've shown during this tremendous crisis. And on behalf of the people of New Zealand, we stand beside you and beside the people of Fiji. I know there will be an opportunity to say more this evening, but once again, we thank you for the invitation to be in your beautiful country. And we wish you and the people of Fiji all the very, very best.